Hi, I'm Bill Williams. I'm the Group Chief Executive of Alloy Fabweld, a UK manufacturing company. We have architectural steelwork, car transporters. Basically, it's made in metal. Alloy Fabweld can do it. My role as Group Chief Executive is everything from the strategy and the future direction of the business. Most importantly is servicing our employees and making sure they're having a great time doing great stuff for our customers. For me personally, it's fantastic to be in the manufacturing top 100. Why? Because it's judged by manufacturers, it's for manufacturers, by manufacturers, and that's everything to me, so brilliant. So I'm particularly pleased this nomination is Inspiring Leader. I've spent 40 years in British engineering manufacturing. That's my passion, my career. It means a lot to me. So to be selected within the group of Inspiring Leaders is really, really special. Probably about the age of 17 or 18 in the college as part of an engineering apprenticeship. When I finished first in an assessment, you had to make a vice, and I just remember thinking, oh my God, I've made this. And I took it home and I showed it to friends, and that buzz of making things that you can touch and hold and share has never left me, actually. That to me is the beauty of manufacturing. It's 40 years of constant change, and we often talk about how rapid change is now. I think we've had rapid change every year. That's manufacturing, constantly evolving and having to reinvent itself, take costs out, improve efficiency. So I don't see any particular year. I think the whole move towards automation now is that just never-ending progress of manufacturing. So today, the biggest challenges that manufacturing face, I believe, is a shortage of skilled labour, and that's going to lead to two things actually. More automation, which is a good thing, and more focus on apprenticeships and bringing younger people through. And here at Alloy Fabweld, we're investing massively in expanding our apprenticeship programs across the whole range of businesses, and we've also invested massively in automated manufacturing, from plasma cutters. We're looking at robot arm welders. The whole piece of investment in automated machinery is running in tandem with our apprenticeship program to address those issues. My advice to young people considering a career in manufacturing is make sure that you go and meet some people who work in manufacturing. Try and go to a manufacturing operation, because the way I describe it to young people is it's almost like a cave. When you go into this cave and this marvellous world of opportunities opens up in front of you. Design, engineering, marketing, sales, innovation. There's so many, finance, fantastic jobs in engineering and manufacturing. And British engineering manufacturing is now doing something really special. You'll find young people with high-tech equipment doing amazing things. So please do not write off manufacturing without having a closer look. There's a world of opportunity awaiting for you.